Stop being fucking lazy. Everybody always says that they want to become profitable. I want to trade the markets with consistent profits. I want to generate pips over and over again. I want to increase my account. I want to make money with said strategy. I want more time to myself. I want more time with loved ones. I want this and I want that. And you sit down with any one of these individuals, share with them everything they need to do, and eventually they will come back with every fucking excuse under the sun as to why they aren't doing it. Now, I've helped a lot of traders become consistently profitable trading the markets, and I guarantee you I've heard it all. If you're learning how to trade, studying how to trade, implementing it into your own trading, and getting this to work without any excuses and winning in the markets is all that matters, only then will you get it. Anything else and you are fucked. Forever people are looking around for the secret to trading, and I'm going to give it to you right now. Do your back testing. Now, for those of you who say that it's bullshit or it doesn't work, number one, you have no idea what you are talking about, or you haven't done it correctly. Because I tell you this, if you did the testing correctly and you implemented it correctly, you would see with your own eyes that whatever you were trying to trade actually has an edge in the markets. Now, here's the truism about it, the fact behind why it works. You are exploiting human behavior. That is exactly what trading is about. You are finding repeatable patterns in the markets, building a strategy around it to be half right with a positive risk to reward profile and trading that every fucking day with discipline. What does that mean? You trade your plan regardless of how you think and feel, day in and day out, because that's what an edge is. Now understand this, I guarantee you right now that no matter what anyone else is saying, if you do that, you will win. If you don't, you are fucked. Do that and it's impossible to lose. You have to genuinely do the work and perform regardless. The second you do that, you'll become consistently profitable. Oh, but the market's manipulated. They're out to get me. The stop hunters always get me. You can't beat the market makers. Bullshit. It's not a zero-sum game. Get that shit out of your head straight away. It's not you versus the markets. It's not you versus him or whatever. Most of you are out competing yourself with non-stop excuses as to why you aren't doing this properly. It's you versus you. Out competing yourself every day by becoming better. Practice, practice, practice. Testing. Do the testing. Do the work, and I promise you the attainment of what you want out of trading is absolutely inevitable for you. I want you to win. I don't want you losing money over and over again. I want you to believe in you as I believe in you. If you're watching and listening to me right now, know that you can absolutely do this. You can do anything that you want, and you know deep down that that's true. And why not you? If other people can become profitable, so can you. If other people can make it work, so can you. If other people can hit their goals, so can you. If other people can achieve what they truly desire, so can you. Because you are an absolute miracle in this life. So fulfill that and become whatever it is that you want to become, and prove that to yourself. You've got this. Let's make this week the best one yet. I'm just about to go live in the London live trading room, and I may as well just recap while I've got you here on what I'm doing. So on the Euro-dollar, I just bought it here on the 4-hour time frame, and I'm looking for a move to retest the highs here, and then a 127 extension for target 2. Now, this is a 9-pair portfolio on 3 different time frames with 4 different strategies that I trade in front of our private client group. And this is one of the trades that I executed here on the Euro-Yen. I'm looking for a move, almost got it down here, at the 886, and then I'll be entering this pattern. So it's a bat pattern here. Looking for targets 382 and 618. Excuse me. On this pattern trade here. Pound dollar, I entered this trade, so similar to the euro dollar. I'm using the cipher pattern entry. The case for entry here is a cipher pattern, and I'm looking for trend continuation trade targets. So I'm looking at structure highs here for my first stopping point, and then potentially a 127 Fibonacci extension for target 2. And I believe on pound yen, I got stopped out of a little TCT trade I took last week, but I immediately have to buy it up again because that is my rules. We come in, trade the plan over and over and over again, which is exactly what I was just talking about. We don't let fear, we don't let drawdowns, we don't let loss streaks determine what we are trading. We remove all the emotions. And we believe in what we are trading, and we have faith in our trading plan, and we show up every single day and execute that no matter what. And I'm showing you this yet again so you can see what it's like trading out of a drawdown, because that is what a lot of traders fail to do. Everybody can trade when there's win streaks. When everything's going well, everybody can do it. It's when you get 4, 5, 6 losses in a row, people start to get emotionally unstable with it. Now, we don't trade with emotions. That's the whole point in having a tested trade plan. We believe in our numbers, we show up every single day, and we trade with daily disciplines, practice daily, and the byproduct of doing that correctly is positive results for you, because that is what your tested data shows. And those positive results turn into profitable results. But nobody has the resolve in order to continue trading to trade out of that drawdown. So I don't know what's going to happen with these trades. Win or lose, it doesn't matter. Because I know on average, I'm over 50% accurate in guessing the direction of the move with a positive risk to reward profile. I don't know if this hits target or loss. I have no idea. Or my stop loss. But what I do know is I come in and trade the plan regardless. Stick to that. Again, I'm emphasizing this because this is where a lot of traders drop the ball, right? I had a loss just here. Do I want to buy this? Absolutely not. Right? It looks like there's a lot of momentum towards the downside, but I have to execute this no matter what. Because if I don't, and it does reverse from here and it does hit targets, I'll be kicking myself. And that's where a lot of you are at right now. I know what it's like being on the other side. I know what it's like coming up as a wanting to become a consistently profitable trader. I know what that is like. I've been on the other side. Coming in after a loss streak, having your rules met, so your criteria met, and buying it right here. Sometimes you don't. I get that. We have this talk inside our minds like, what if, what if, what if, what if? Right? We all feel that emotion. But until you get over that, and one way to do that is testing, having your numbers and treating trading as a business, believing in that and trading every single day. Once you start doing that and you start trading out of drawdowns consistently, you are going to do incredibly well in your trading. Then you can get rid of that fear. We don't trade based off emotions. We feel the emotion, but we don't trade off the emotion. We respond to the markets. We don't react to the markets, right? So this might stop us out. I got no idea. Could instantly turn, reverse, etc. Hit targets, no idea. What I do know is I've met my criteria and I executed and I followed that plan. And I'm going to do that until the end of the year. Because again, the byproduct of doing that correctly is positive results for us, and those positive results are profitable results, right? So absolutely, I come in and sometimes I don't want to execute the trade. Happens. but I do it anyway. I'm meant to do that. That's what it says to do. So I continue showing up and doing that. The whole point of doing this in front of a private client group is to show if I do this day in and day out, follow the plan, execute it every single time that the trade meets the criteria, that you can trade out at drawdowns, that you can make it into new equity highs. Proof of concept is key. Transparency is key because it helps build your belief that you can do this as well. As we flip over here, I just had to adjust my targets as well, because as we're pushing down with the trade management here, we have to continue rolling our fibs, right? We have to continue measuring that. So we come down and then we adjust our targets here. So you want to roll that from up here where it was, and then all the way down, whoops, then all the way down to our 382, and then also the same with our 618. So you want to continue adjusting your fibs because that is pattern trading. That's what we are measuring. We're using fibs. So as price action pushes down, continue to measure, right? It's called rolling your fibs, like so. Continue doing that. Yes, sometimes it makes it inverse risk to reward, but you have to continue trading and matching exactly how you test it. Right? You don't want to do anything different. You don't want to skew those results because that is what's going to make you profitable over the long run. Really important, right? This is your risk, okay? This is your target one. Now, what I want you to note here is you are risking 30 pips for 45 pips, okay? That's on target one. And this from here all the way to the upside is your target two, and your target two is going to be a potential 80 pips of reward as well. So you don't need many of these, right? After a 5-6 trade losing streak, all you need is a couple of wins. And then you'll make back that which you gave back to the markets and then some, right? And if you continue to do that, you will continue to trade out of the drawdowns. You will continue to trade into new equity highs, which is what we want, growing your capital over and over and over again. It can get difficult trading through those drawdowns. But again, as we're doing this live in front of everyone, showing you that you can do that if you continue to trade that which you tested, if you continue to show up and trade the plan over and over again. If you do that, you'll be pleasantly surprised at the results that you can get with your trading. When it looks like everybody is winning, but you're not, trust me, they're only showing you the wins. But here, what we do, showing you the good, the bad, the ugly, the reality of trading. That's important. Now, if you like this style of trading and you want to start learning the language of the markets and breaking price action down like this and looking for those potential trade opportunities that are over half right with a positive risk to reward profile, I'll leave the link for you down below. Get started with the Start Classroom. Sign up. It's forever free and start learning today. All right. Now I was just editing this video and I just heard some trades go off here, my alerts. And yeah, it was just after the live room as well. So I thought I'd just update you while it's here before I export and get this out to you. So that's what happens. You come in, you take the trade. It does one or two things. It's either going to hit your targets or stop you out. And that's what we do. We trade the plan, and this is what happens. We squeezed 39 pips out of the markets here on the pound yen 1 hour time frame. Again, we adjust our targets, and we do that for very good reason. As you can see, we stall right there at the 382 as we bring that down, and we roll our fibs like here, right there. we come up and hit that. Now remember to always front run your orders as well. So you're not at the 382 right there because the market is imperfect, right? We're not at the 382. We want to front run your orders like this because you want the highest chance that you hit targets, right? So you want to get that down, and we do this in the testing as well. Yeah, so that's the way that you test it. That's the way that you trade it live, and also to account for the spread there. So as target 1 was hit, we take off half of the contract, roll stops to break even, and then we are looking for that follow-on target up at the 618 right there. So that was on the pound yen, euro. Yes, so euro yen as well on the 1 hour time frame. We came down again. You're rolling your fibs, adjusting like that. Then we came up and hit target 1 at the 382, and we got another 39 pips there. So making back some pips on target 1 on 2 trades, and then we're trying to get that move up to the 618 for follow-on targets. Target 2 there. Again, we roll stops to break even on that one too. Yeah, and those are the updates before I get this out to you. So long euro dollar, euro yen, pound dollar, and pound yen. All right, not doing anything there. Okay, have a wonderful day today. I'll see everyone else in the live room tomorrow bright and early, 8 a.m. Until everyone else, I'll see you on the next video. Be safe, enjoy life, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.